Many founders in Onpassive were attracted by the amount of money they could make by becoming a founder. Founders firmly believe that Onpassive will deliver to its founders the wealth that they have dreamed about all their lives. Then, gradually, the founders' hearts shifted in a different direction. Those self-centered desires started changing. The dreams and hopes now realized, have been changed to what can founders do for others so that they can resurrect their dying dreams and hopes. Onpassive gives its founders the ability to bring others where they are. What company does that? Not one company has been designed to cater to those who need help. Onpassive is a heart changer. Onpassive will have unlimited resources to reverse the financial misfortunes of billions of people. Onpassive was that hidden diamond in the rough. But not for long. Our founders know about the diamond called Onpassive. The world is getting a glimpse of that sparkling diamond Onpassive with the limited release of its first product to the public, called Oh Bless. Oh Bless has started blessing the poor in India and it hasn't officially launched. What an act of love being displayed by the giving spirits of Mr. Ash Mufair and the Hyderabad office. Onpassive is bigger than any of us could imagine. Onpassive will go from providing a living for its founders to where its founders will provide a living for others. All founders have been overtaken by the desire to lift others up. Onpassive is a heart changer. Onpassive's founders reflect the heart of Onpassive's creator, Mr. Ash Mufair, who has been consumed with the vision of helping people who need care and resources to have a better quality of life. He has done that with Onpassive. Each day that we wake up, we are closer to all we need financially. Love is what makes the world go around. Onpassive is dripping with that love. People run away from hate. People run towards love. Onpassive has an unlimited capacity to totally change humanity. All founders are eagerly waiting to help. Over 1,300,000 founders are ready to go. Share this love.